Welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, there is a continuous downfall we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, and for a previous day we have seen there is a continuous fall. Okay, if we go beyond this particular period, what we have seen there was a continuous fall for 4 days. After that there is a range and then there is again a continuous fall. Overall trend is downside if we look at from November first week. Okay, and if we go in the October first week, we have seen these highs. See, these two high is in October and this is in November. Probability can be high if the price sustain this level and started going above a level of $3. Chances are high that we can see that in the next month also, next month we can see it can make a new high also. Okay, a month 8 or 9 months high. Otherwise it has to go above a level of around $5 in order to make a new high. There are chances, but it has to go above a level of $5, then only we can see there is a probability of going further upside. Okay, the first thing, that how was moving. See, if you look at a 15-minute chart, you will see that the volatility is quite good. Okay, and overall trend is downside. Now the price is moving in a zone of $3 and $2 where the price was moving for quite some time. Okay, and you have to understand that there is a pattern forming. If we look at a pattern from year wise, you will see that there is a clear pattern forming. So chances will be high as soon as started going below a level of $2.5, we will see that a further downfall we can see and a sharp fall we can see after $2.5. Okay, and now if you look at after pandemic, there is a continuous upside we have seen. There is a pattern forming, which I continuously reminding you, because you have to understand, if some are new user, you have to understand how the natural gas price is moving. Okay, how it was moving, that whenever it is hitting its new high, we have seen a fall is coming, and this fall is quite good. After that a swing is forming, that is where it is going upside, and for the sixth time it would have made a new high, but it didn't sustain because of the war situation we have seen in Ukraine and Russia. Okay, today we can see there are two events are coming, so that is the time where we can see a good volatility. But in between this, you have to understand when the time comes. So trading before 10 minutes or after 10 minutes, you should be like reducing your quantity, then it will be a better thing to trade. Otherwise, it will be a good risk and reward. Okay, if you trade in that period. Okay, so I suggest that always trade after 15 minutes or 10 minutes, or before 10 minutes you should not be trading. This is the time where you should be very careful. Okay, so suppose before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go further upside, and yes, a probability of going towards $2.8836 is there. And if started moving above that level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2.9728. Okay, after $2.8836, chances of touching 2.9728 will be there, and if started going above that level, chances of touching a level of $3.0511 is there. Okay, and once started going above this particular level, this is the range where the price is moving for quite some time. So once started going above $3.051, we will see it will go further upside, and yes, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $3.2094. Okay, and if started moving above this particular level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $3.3211. Okay, and if started going above 3.3211, then a probability of going further upside we can see towards 3.4. Okay, $3.41. And if started going up this level, we will see it will touch its new high of it will touch a high of around $3.56, which is October high. Okay, and then if it started moving up that level, it will go and cross this particular high of around $3.669. Okay, and this is the high which is already been a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of $3.949. Okay, and once started going up this level, it will move and fill this particular gap which is coming at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. This gap can be filled. Okay, now understand, market is uncertain. Okay, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that it will move as per you, okay, it will not. So what you have to do is always try to trail your SL, okay, and always try to put SL for whatever the trade you are taking. These two things you have to do. Trailing SL will save your profit and SL will save your capital. These two things you have to do. Understand? Now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and chances are very high, yes, it will not sustain. What we can see, it will go further down towards a level of $2.7804, and if started moving below that level, we will see it will go towards $2.756. Once started moving below this particular level, a probability of going further down we can see towards a level of 2.645, and from there a probability of touching $2.5773. Okay, this is the level. So this is the level where we can see, and once started moving below a level of 2.5, then there is a higher chances it will go further low, because there is a probability that this is a level, and if you look at this, there will be a pattern forming. Okay, this pattern you have to look at as per this. Okay, clear pattern will form, and chances of going below a level of 2.5, then we can see it will touch a level of $2.323. Okay, and from there a probability of moving further down towards $2.2400. Okay, and once started moving below this particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2.1637, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2.0673. This is the level where you can see all these things. Once started moving to 2.5, chances of touching 2.3 to a level of 2.2, and then from there to a level of 2.163, and from there it will move below a level of $2.06. As soon as started moving below this level, we will see it will move below a level of $2, and then further fall we can see. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.